Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'll be talking about the most commonly used equipment in a microbiology laboratory facility, that is an autoclave. So autoclave is a steam sterilizer. It basically works on the principle of moist heat sterilization. So autoclave is used for sterilization of media, glasswares and other tools used in laboratories. So where all do you use an autoclave? Autoclaves are generally used in microbiology, biotechnology and plant tissue culture laboratory facility and also other industrial facilities. So autoclave actually works at a temperature of 121 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes at 15 psi pressure. So this particular temperature is very important in elimination of bacteria and other microorganisms, especially the spores, which are very hard to eliminate in any other form of sterilization or conditions. So in an autoclave comes in different varieties. The one which I'm going to show you now is a vertical autoclave. So what you can see here is a vertical autoclave which you can most commonly find in laboratories in colleges and other facilities. So this is the lid which can be operated with the help of this pedal here at the bottom. Okay, and this is the pressure chamber which is actually double walled, which is made up of stainless steel, and here what you can see is the basket into which the components which are going to sterilize goes in. Okay, so there is actually a coil inside the pressure chamber which basically heats up the water which you will be adding. So the water which you will add into the autoclave is basically distilled water or deionized water. Just make sure you do not pour tap water into it to avoid depositions on the walls inside the pressure chamber. And also make sure the water level, it is above the coil. So the coil should be immersed into the water. Okay, so and then you will place all the components to be sterilized and place the basket here and close the lid with the help of these screws which you can see on all the four sides. Just ensure that you operate the opposite facing screws at the same time to ensure proper closing of the lid. So on the lid is a pressure gauge, a safety valve and a whistle. So pressure gauge indicates the pressure built up in the autoclave. Okay, so usually it's pointing at 0 and then it takes time to build up to a temperature of 121 degrees Celsius, and also that 15 psi pressure has to be maintained. So this temperature and pressure plays a major role in elimination of all the microorganisms, especially targeting the spores, which is a very important thing about this moist heat sterilizer. So what should you remember with respect to an autoclave is, you cannot sterilize components such as oil and other liquids, okay? And also you should not use corrosive, toxic and then materials which can easily melt inside an autoclave, because there is a very high temperature which is maintained here. Also ensure to use autoclavable bags to keep the glasswares for sterilization, and also closing of the lids of any media preparation glasswares. Make sure it's not tightly closed, but then it should be loosened up a bit. So these are some very major points which you have to remember with respect to how to use an autoclave. Also, this works based on electric supply. So this is a digital meter where the temperature, time and pressure will all be displayed. Okay, so here is the electric current. So the coil is basically at the bottom of the autoclave. So I hope this video was very useful to you all. I'll come back with more such videos. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, share and comment on our YouTube channel. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you.